Now I want to talk to you about the benefits of having a GPS system that has a micro SD slot. This is the Garmin Nuvi 2595 LMT, and what's great about this is on the side of the GPS they have added an SD card slot, which is great for transferring photos and music, updating maps, adding audio files like audio books, new voices, things like that. It's great for that, and it's also great for backing up your data from one GPS and keeping it on file or storing it to your computer, and also even transferring it directly from one Garmin GPS to another. So it's great that they've added those. Now, there's many models out there that have them. This is, again, the Garmin Nuvi 2595 LMT happens to have it. It's a great feature. You just need to check with your manufacturer, or check with the store that you're purchasing your GPS from to make sure that they have the SD card available on your unit.